How to enable the secret shake to minimize setting in Windows. Search Registry Editor from the Start menu. Open it and go to HKey Current User, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows. Then CurrentVersion, then Explorer, and then Advanced. Look for a D-word 32-bit value named Disallow Shaking in the right pane. If it exists, double-click it. If it doesn't exist, right-click in the right pane, select New Word 32-bit value, and name it Disallow Shaking. To enable this, set the value data to 0, that is by default. Close the window and restart your PC. Now the secret feature works when you shake the Windows. Subscribe to Easy Windows Solution for more videos.